Hello dear friends, I want to solve some exam question here about Lagrange multipliers, those questions that the similar will be asked in the exam. I think nothing more difficult will be asked there. So here they ask find the largest area of rectangle that can be inscribed in the ellipse like this. And they give the ellipse, and I always draw that ellipse like here. We always know how to draw the ellipse. And now after that I draw the ellipse, I will draw the largest rectangle. Like it will take the rectangle, from here. It will take like something like this. I would draw, it will be something similar to this one. So they say find the largest area. So as you see, this place here, it will be 1 and minus 1, like here it's 1. So from here it is 2 unit, and from here also it's 1 unit. 1 unit here will be 2x. It's x because it's here it's x, and from here and here it's y. This part is also y, and this one is also y. So it will be 2y, and this will be 2x. The regions, I will write here the regions. This part is like x and y. This one is minus x and y. And this one is x and minus y. And this one is minus x and minus y. I'll write it like that. And now again they always say like the max values. Like here, max. What's max? Like 2x times 2y will be this rectangle region. Like 2x, if we multiply 2x to 2y, it will be 4xy. And from here, as you see here, x squared over 4 plus y squared is equal to 1. This one is the ellipse that they gave us. If you write it, just we change this 4. Like here we write it like x squared plus 4y squared. I just multiply it to the 4 and bring this one to this side. It will be minus 4 because I multiply to this 4. It will be equal to 0. And now if you have done this much, it means that you actually solved 90% of the exam question, or even I would say that will be more, but like 80% of the question. And after that, as the rule and regulations of this multiple, as you know, the Lagrange multiplier is like L of x, y and lambda will be equal to, max values will come first for x, y, plus lambda times x squared plus 4y squared minus 4. It was equal to like this. And now we will take the derivative due to x first. Lx. What is it? Lagrange of x. It will be 4y from here and plus 2 lambda x. And Ly will be 4y, like from here. If you take it, it will be 4x. And from here, it will be 2 times 4 will be 8. And here we have lambda. We have 8 lambda y. And if we take the derivative of lambda, so we don't have here lambda, we just have lambda here and just only lambda. So Lagrange of lambda will be x squared plus 4y squared minus 4. It will be equal to 0. Also it will be equal to 0. It will be equal to 0. Now from here, first of all, I'll find here the lambda only. What's lambda equal to? Because I'll put it equal to 0. Now lambda is equal to minus 2y over x. As I put lambda will be here and I bring this 4y to this side, it will be minus 4y over 2 x, 2 will be cancelled and minus 2 y over x only remain there, and here also lambda will be equal to minus x over 2. Now we have this situation, and as you see here we have lambda, so we can put this like this. Minus 2y over x will be equal to minus x over 2y, and here we will have like x square will be equal to 4y square from here, and y square will be equal to 1 over 2, and y will be equal to 1 over square root of 2. And from here, if we see, x will be equal to square root of 2. So actually, and if we know the general rule is here, like it will be positive and negative 1 over 2, and here also it will be positive and negative 1 over 2. But because they just ask us here the largest values, the largest is the positive values, so I cancel those negative values. I will not take them, and I will just take these positive values. That's why I will just write it like that, and that's only those values that I find. And I will put these values and this maximum values that I have here, that we have the max value, the max region of this rectangle, and it is like this. Max is, we know that max is equal to 4xy, so I will put in place of x and y its own number, like y will be equal to 1 over 2. So as you know, this will cancel and we have only 4. Please, this question answer is only 4. I hope you learned this question, something from this question. I hope you always see other videos from internet, because this one is the most difficult question that I have solved. So first you should know the simple rules and regulation, and after that you should come here to how to solve the exam question for calculus 2 or Lagrange, and after that you can understand like this question. If you like my videos, so please subscribe and like my video. Thank you so much.